Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. Today we got one that came by way of Meet Me. They're a Malaysian company. This is their chili pan mee. This is their dry version with fish cake. So that sounds good. I really like chili pan mee, at least from what I've tried of these guys' stuff. Pepper, fish cake. I'm getting some chili oil and the base. So, and then we have our noodle. It will boil for 6 minutes, and I will let you watch it. So our guy, what's his name? Bunch. I think it was Bunch. What up, Bunch? Anyways, he or she, I don't know. It doesn't matter. Human. Made another request that I be more descriptive about flavors, and it's kind of a tricky thing sometimes. Sometimes. But I'll do my best. But the other thing was they wanted me to show the noodles cooking. So now that's what you got. Oh, so what's going on? It's Monday. And it's 2 o'clock, which means in an hour I'll get to chit-chat with my lady on her break. And then a couple hours after that, she'll be on her way home, and she calls me on her way home, and it's nice. It's nice. It's nice. And yeah, you wouldn't guess that we've been married, what, 13 years now? Yep. It's nice. But yeah, it's good. It's good. It's nice. It's good. So I didn't realize this. She was keen to it and did it. You can get something from Walmart that's kind of like Prime, and you can get groceries delivered. And so we have done so. And you also get a subscription to Paramount Plus with it, so that's kind of neat. Well, the last 2 times that we've gotten groceries this way, it's been kind of weird. So not last night, but like a week or 2 before, this guy showed up. It was dumping rain. He seemed kind of questionable. He seemed kind of like I just got out of prison kind of guy. Nothing wrong with that. Well, yeah, there is. Yeah, don't go to prison. But anyways, yeah, he kind of like pushed that vibe a little hard. Not like he was like. Anyways, he just seemed kind of sketch, kind of like a guy that you expect that. Plenty of people who are nice that have gone to prison. Anyways, I'm digging a hole. But anyways, he shows up and he's like, yeah, so I got all the order, your order and somebody else's order got mixed up and it's in my trunk. Can you go look and pick out the things that are yours? It's like, are you freaking kidding me? Well, I don't know what she ordered, so I send her out. It's dumping rain. She gets all wet. I'm standing next to the door watching. Just like, who is this character? I've got it, you know. It all went well. And at the end, you know, he tore one of the bags on it because the bags that they give are crap. And he's like, can you throw this away for me? I'm like, oh, no problem. No thanks or nothing. It was just like, you know. And then last night, they were late. And they're like, I'm on my way. And then we get a message in Russian. No problem with that, but I think they didn't mean to send it to us in Russian. Then we translated it and said, I'm already on my way. And then they delivered it to the wrong place. So Walmart gave us a refund, which can take up to 10 days. And then a $15 credit for the next order, which God knows how that'll work out. But you know what happened? I was thinking like, right before it said delivered, I swore I heard somebody walking around out on the deck, on our steps outside. And as it turned out, they brought all the groceries upstairs. And I was thinking about it, and I was like, hey, why don't we look and see if, because they send a picture like Amazon of your delivery and where it is. It's like, that's not our door, not even close. So we got funny stuff on our front door. So there's no way we're gonna mistake it. Well, it was all up there, so we got it. Did we call Walmart and say, oh, we actually found them, they were upstairs, don't worry about the refund? Heck no. I know I don't know. To heck with it. But yeah, it's just like, why? It's like, if I'm gonna be doing a gig like that, I would be like wanting to fix things and make sure things were done right. And I guess I think their hiring process is probably not working out so well for them. Kind of disturbing. Anyways, but the Paramount Plus is nice, and the free delivery. Well, it's not free. You got to pay $60 a year or something like that, but it's not a bad deal. It usually works out, but recently it has not. But on this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plate it, and then I'll bring it back after I take the pictures, and then I will sample it, because this one's a little involved. You see, it's a little involved. And it's almost done. All right. So let's drain and then plate. Or no, drain and then. This one, I'm hopeful. I don't know why I wouldn't like this one. If it's really not. Oh, that's a. I don't like it when I drop my hardware. Okay. There we go. I dropped a valuable device. You guys still out there?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, I'm almost done. I'll be done in a couple minutes. Yeah, you guys chill out. I'll be done in a few. Here is our liquid. Kind of sweet. We got this one, which definitely looks like it's a chili oil. Makes sense. It's chili pan meat. I will try it like this for now. Ow, and I banged my head on the silly raincoat. I'll try it like this. I'm in the mood. Can't you tell? I'm in the mood. Really doesn't mess around, does it? Pretty broad noodle. Cheers. I like that. It's hot. It's sweet. It we'll have more momentarily. All right, so here we go. Now it's time to get it on. Like that. But wow, that's saucy. Yes, it is. Oh, that's a nice little peppery kick to it, and the herbality, the herbalness is nice. Here's our fish cake. And then we got our chili stuff. I don't know if it's just chili powder directly or just other stuff going on with it. I think right now the egg needs to be addressed. Like that. I think it would like to live right there. And wait, there's more. I know, right? Got some spring onion that can live on top. Like that. Add some seeds. Kids are watching, but it sounds peppy. A little bit of mung bean sprout. I mean, it's from Malaysia. You know, I was really hoping that these would last till tomorrow, but they won't. And that's a bummer. There you go, rotate it up. Alright, cool. So I'm going to take pictures really quick and come back and give this a try, all outfitted and gussied up. So listen to the music. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's a little bit of chili. Let's turn this down a little bit. And then here's the fish cake. They're like little dry bits of fish cake, kind of crunchy. So we'll use some of this. Look at that chili little fish cake. Come on. Come with me, fish cake. All right, cheers. It's a nice balance of hot, sweet. Fish cake is good. Yeah, another really good one from this company. The other one has, what do you call it? Fried anchovy. And that one's good too. Yeah. All right, well, thank you for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. And I'll catch you on the flip side. Have a good one. Bye-bye.